Hey guys, how are you doing? So Apple released iOS 18.2 to all the compatible iPhone and iPad models officially after almost 1.5 months of beta testing to developers and public beta testers. We now have more Apple Intelligence features that works with iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max and all the 16 models. If you're using iPhone 15, 15 Plus and earlier models, then this update brings mostly bug fixes and security fixes, almost 20 plus security fixes that comes to your iPhone, which I think very essential to update if you are already using any of the iOS 18 version. So if you are using iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max and 16 models, and after updating to iOS 18.2, if you are not able to enable the Apple Intelligence and Siri feature, then you can try these troubleshooting steps. Apple have rolled out this Apple Intelligence and Siri feature right now to limited countries, and if you are not from United States, then you can change your language settings of the Siri English United States. If you are in a country where Apple Intelligence and Siri, the new Siri animation effect is not available, then you can change the country and language settings to English United States. This is not enough. You need to go back to settings general and then scroll down a little bit, then tap on the language and region, and here also you need to change the region from your country to United States. This will not make any changes to the App Store. The only difference you will notice is the currency related difference with your keyboard. Other than that, changing the language and region settings like this will not cause any trouble with your regular everyday usage. Now go back to settings, Apple Intelligence and Siri. You will see the toggle to turn on the Apple Intelligence and Siri. Otherwise you will see the message that it is not yet available in your country. And once you turned on this toggle, make sure to connect your iPhone or iPad to Wi-Fi. Even if you're trying the same with your Mac computer, make sure the Wi-Fi is connected, and if the charge is very low, make sure to connect the charging cable with your device, iPhone or iPad, and let it charge above 50%. Then in the background, it will automatically download the essential files to make the Apple Intelligence and Siri features to work. The new user interface will then enabled on your iPhone 15 Pro and above models with all the latest features. And one more important thing is, when you try to download these sort of system related files using hotspot, like if you are connected to other mobile phone or another iPhone, a friend's iPhone, and trying to download the Apple Intelligence and Siri, it won't work. To avoid any file download issues or file corrupt issues, Apple kind of forcing you to use it in a stable Wi-Fi connection with good speed to prevent any further issues related to the feature that you are about to use on your iPhone or iPad. So make sure it is a normal Wi-Fi router based connection. Some people may not be able to download Apple Intelligence and Siri files if they are connected to the another iPhone hotspot or Android phone hotspot. Other than this, after giving few hours, as the iOS 18.2 is right now downloaded and enabled with the Apple Intelligence and Siri feature for on more devices with iPhone, iPad and Mac computer, it may take some additional time for the servers to download. The servers may go busy, so it will take some additional time to download. Some users will get it in 15 to 20 minutes, some users will get it in 2 to 3 hours time. So just follow these basic steps, and then your Apple Intelligence and Siri and the new Siri UI will also be started to working after updating to the iOS 18.2 version on your iPhone and iPad. We'll be covering more topics related to the iOS 18.2 problems and fixes in our upcoming video. If you like to receive more iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.